Hi, it's Teacher Bonnie with the topic my favorite food. Yeah, my favorite food. Today it's not really my favorite food. My favorite food is meat, right? Remember? Today, I'm not really a fan of this. But, do you know Firefighter Fred? Firefighter Fred loves having this for his meals. Any meal, like breakfast, or lunch, or dinner. He loves this. And guess what food it is? Yep, it's fish. Fish. Now for the word fish, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 letters, but there are only 3 sounds. Ish, fish, fish. Okay, let's go look at the word. So there's Firefighter Fred, Impying, Sammy Snake, and Harry Hatman. Okay, so Sammy Snake and Harry Hatman. Do you guys remember the story? Now, Sammy Snake, when he's next to Harry Hatman, Sammy Snake likes to make a sound which is very noisy. And Harry Hatman hates noise. That's why when he's next to Sammy Snake, he turns around and says, "Shh, quiet, please." Yeah. So when SH is together, it's a sh sound. So Firefighter Fred, Impying, and sh, SH. Okay, so it's your turn to spell the word. Got it? Okay. Let's say F-I-S-H. F-I-S-H. Yeah, I don't really like fish. Bye-bye.